Online tablespace encryption in Oracle DATAGUARD 26 AI. Zero downtime encryption, primary and standby, online rekey. The 3 a.m. encryption call. You get a call at 3 a.m. The security audit is next week, and your production Oracle database is running with a DATAGUARD standby and has unencrypted table spaces. Okay, this is the scenario. In your old Oracle, you had been taking the tablespace offline, which means application downtime, coordination with 5 teams, and a very angry on-call manager. But if you are an Oracle 26 AI, you encrypt it online, but in prior version Oracle 19C and 12C also, you can do it online. But we are going to see as a Oracle DATAGUARD feature in this 26 AI online tablespace encryption, how it is correlated. So, but if you are on Oracle 26 AI, you encrypt it online, primary and standby, zero downtime, the apps keeps running and you go back to sleep. Alright? Okay. Welcome to AI DBA Hub. I am your host Ramesh, and today we are doing a complete walkthrough of online tablespace encryption in Oracle DATAGUARD 26 AI. Every command, every verification steps. Let's go. So this is the agenda. Number one, the problem, why we needed this. Number two, architecture, how OTE works in DATAGUARD. Number three, prerequisites and key store setup. Number four, alter tablespace encryption online. Number five, DBMS trace underscore admin procedure, which is new to this in Oracle 26A. Number six, monitoring $V encrypted tablespaces. Number seven, online rekey key rotation. Number eight, standby verification and troubleshooting. Number nine, best practices and quick references. Okay. The problem, why Oracle 26 AI had to solve this. Before 26 AI, TDE tablespace encryption existed but required taking tablespace offline, which is not applicable to 12 to O1. From 12 to O2 onwards, 12C. From 12C, 12 to O2 onwards, we can do this online. Okay. And but it is required to take the tablespace offline. No application, no reads, no writes, just writing. Okay. Oracle 26 AI introduces three big changes. One, the tablespace stays online during encryption. Two, encryption redo is automatically propagated to all DATAGUARD standby. Number three, online rekeying, so you can rotate your master encryption key without downtime too. Right? So you can see here the differences, the table differences before Oracle 26 AI and Oracle 26 AI online encryption. Tablespace must go offline to encrypt, which is not applicable to 12C from prior to 12C. And from 12C onwards, we can do it online. And The tablespace stays online, zero downtime in Oracle 26i. The application downtime minutes 2 hours. Application continued running unaffected. Manual coordination across primary and standby. Read auto propagated to all standby. No encryption on active DATAGUARD reads. Active DATAGUARD encrypted reads supported. Rekeying required full tablespace rebuild. Online rekeying with a single SQL command. Compliance window equal to planned outage window. Compliance audit equal to encrypt now, not next window. Okay. Okay, let me show you the architecture. When you run alter tablespace encryption online on the primary, Oracle writes special encryption redo records. These get shipped to standby via the normal redo transport pipeline. The MRP0 process on the standby applies the encrypting the standby data files in sync with the primary. No manual step needed on standby. Here it is that architecture online tablespace encryption in DATAGUARD 26 CAI. So Oracle Key Vault OKV, the master TDE key encryption, and the primary database alter tablespace encryption online generates encryption redo records, background worker low IO priority and standby, redo transport, AES 256 encrypted algorithm. Standby database is MRP applies the encryption redo, auto encrypts data file in sync, DG underscore encrypt and sync equal to S new in 26 AI. So encrypted data files AES 256 algorithm, primary and standby synchronized, audit ready. All right. For key management, Oracle recommends Oracle Key Vault OKV. For production DATAGUARD setups, OKV automatically syncs the master encryption keys to all standby. If you use a software key store, a local wallet file, you need to manually copy it the standby. We will cover both. Okay. TDE key store setup, primary and standby. Let's see. So prerequisites and key setup. Number 1, verify Oracle 26 AI plus TDE parameters. Number 2, set wallet underscore root underscore parameter plus TDE underscore configuration. Number 3, create key store plus active MEK primary. Number 4, open key store on standby plus verify. Let's start on primary. First, set the wallet root parameter. This tells Oracle where to store your key store files. So we will verify that Oracle TDE parameter first, and then we'll set that. Number 2, we'll set that wallet root and TDE configuration files. Next, now set TDE configuration. I am using file mode, software key store for this demo. I am in production. Use OKV. Okay. So this is the setup alter system. So we can do it earlier also. And number 3, create key store and active MEK. Create the key store, open it and activate the master encryption key with set key. Notice the with backup class, always use this. It creates a backup of your key store before the key is set. Never skip this in production. So this is what administer key management create key store and container all, and it is for backup. Like administer key management key to identify by password with backup container also. Okay. And then now open key store and standby and verify. So the same thing, now set this, now on the standby for a software key store, copy the eWallet.p12 file from the primary, the same wallet root path on standby, then open it with OKV. This is setup is automatic. So the same thing, we need to propagate, we need to set it in the standby side. Now check the new 26A column TDE underscore key store status in $archive dust status. This is confirms that the standby key store is open and ready to receive encryption redo. If the source is closed, stop, fix the key store first. So standby key store must be open before starting encryption on primary. With OK with this is automatic. With software key store, copy evalet.p12 manually. So next, the core command alter tablespace encryption online. So stay on primary terminal, run encryption live, let the operation run, the query progress while it runs. This is the moment the command that changed everything in 26A on primary run. So alter tablespace users encryption online using AES 256 encrypt or rekey or decrypt. It is we can use the method 1. This is the TDL syntax for Oracle 26A. It is we can use in 12C onwards also the same syntax through AES online encryption, right? So Oracle returns immediately with a success message. The encryption is running and the background. Your application is still running. Users are still connected. Data is being encrypted block by block. Okay. So number 2, this is Oracle 26 is an enhanced method. Number 2, dbms underscore space underscore admin. This is new to 26AI. Execute dbms underscore space underscore admin dot tablespace underscore encrypt. You can use a table, give the tablespace name, users, encrypt algorithm, dbms underscore space underscore admin dot encrypt underscore AES 256. Online code true. New 26A. DATAGUARD propagate DG underscore propagate equal to true. Auto propagate to standbys. So this is a method in 26A. It is new. In 26A, dbm underscore space underscore admin tablespace encrypt and use which adds an online mode and DG propagate parameters explicit control. So tablespace stays online, reads and writes continue normally during encryption. Background workers, Oracle spans low priority IO workers, no OLTP impact. Returns immediately, command completes fast, encryption done asynchronously. Algorithms AES 256 recommended, and also AES 192, AES 128, 3DES 168. But which is recommended encryption algorithm is AES 256 as always. Okay, now monitoring the progress. Okay, monitoring $V encrypted tables is 26A enhanced. What's the new columns Oracle 26A added? $V encrypted underscore table spaces, encrypt underscore status, source, in underscore progress, completed or failed, PCT underscore encrypted is your progress percentage, bytes underscore encrypted and bytes underscore remaining. Let you estimate completion time. So this is how that $V encrypted tables is 26A encrypted enhanced $V views. So new columns in $V views are in 26A. This is the new columns in this. You can also see the background encryption worker is in $V session. Oracle spins the dedicated worker for this. They run at low IO priority so that they don't impact your OLTP workload. Okay. Now, online rekeying key rotation without downtime Oracle 26A. Another 26A game changer online rekeying PCI-DSS, SOX, GDPR. They all require periodic key rotation. Before 26A, this was painful offline operation. Now it is a single SQL command. So in 12C onwards, we can do it. 12C, 19C also. But this is 26A, it is enhanced online tricking method. So all require periodic key rotation. Now possible online in Oracle 26A. Same online keyword, same pattern, but instead of encrypt at the end, use rekey. Oracle will re-encrypt every block in the tablespace with a new key while the tablespace stays open. Monitor using rekey underscore status and percentage underscore rekeyed columns. So this is the SQL DDL commands. How to rekey. The rekey command, single command, both primary and standby updated. Package. This is that online rekey with DG propagation. Execute db underscore space underscore admin dot tablespace underscore rekey, tablespace name, users, encryption algorithm, DG propagate true, right? Monitor the progress. This is the DDL to script to monitor. So DBA pro tip here, schedule rekey operation during off-peak hours. Even though online, rekeying rereads every block in the tablespace. Use $session module like and TDE to monitor background workers. Always backup key store with the backup before any rekey. Okay. Now standby verification and troubleshooting. Let's see. On the standby, the key column check do underscore encrypt underscore sync name 26 AI values equal to yes means that standby is fully synchronized. Pending means read is still being applied. No means there is a problem you need to investigate further to fix the issue. So verify this SQL script and is yes full in sync, encryption complete, pending, read applying, wait and recheck. No problem, investigate the key store or redo gap. Troubleshooting, these are all the expected ORA errors. ORA 28365, wallet not open, open key store and affected node, and tails at X percentage. This is IO bottleneck or undo full. Check VDL session underscore wait, expand undo. DG pending. Issue apply lag on standby, check MRP, VDL DATAGUARD and states. Sync equal to no. Issue key mismatch, verify the ME key on both nodes. ORA 46700, issue LOB segment issue, run ASSM underscore segment underscore verify. So this will identify the issue. So here it is a pro tip for DBAs. Configure auto login wallet to so MRP can decrypt read after restart without manual key store open. So this is the command administrator key management create auto login underscore login key store from key store, the path identified by password. Okay. If DG underscore encrypt is sync source pending a long time, check your DATAGUARD transport is apply lag. The standby has a big apply lag. It will take time to catch up. Also verify MRP is running and not stale. Okay, and the most common error that is discussed, I'll show you, right, that ORA 28365 wallet is not open. Solution, open the key store on the standby with the starter key store. Always remember the wallet does not auto open after the database restart unless you have configured an auto login wallet. The pro tip here, configure auto login wallets all nodes so your DATAGUARD never gets blocked on wallet that's closed. Okay. The honest DBA verdict. Honest DBA verdict. This is a genuinely great feature for anyone managing Oracle databases with the DATAGUARD in regulated industries, finance, healthcare, government. Online tablespace encryption removes the removes one of the last major operational pain points around TDE compliance. Two caveats to keep it in mind. First, even though it's online, it is resource intensive. Schedule your encryption during low traffic windows and monitor IO. Second, always test in non-production first. The encryption background process interacts with undo, redo, and checkpoint mechanism. Understand your environment before you go to production. The best practices Oracle 26 online tablespace encryption. Use as always AES 256 always encryption algorithm. AES 256 is F5PS 140, 2 complaint. Never use 3DES 168 for new deployments. It is deprecated in most compliance frameworks. OKV for production DG. Oracle Key Vault, it auto syncs MEK to all standbys. Software key store records manual wallet copy. Error prone in DG failover scenario. Schedule on low traffic window. Online zero resource. Background workers read every block. Monitor VDollar session underscore wait for DB file sequential read. Spikes during encryption. R1 backup before encrypting. Take a full R1 backup of the tablespace before running encrypt. This gives you a clean pre-encryption fallback if anything goes wrong. Enable auto login wallet. Configure administer key management, create auto login key store. So MRP0 can open a wallet automatically after they restart. Test in non-prod first. Encryption redo interacts with the undo, checkpoint, and log writer. Run an end-to-end in a copy production before executing in the real system production environment. Alright. So the bottom line, Oracle 26 online tablespace encryption production ready, audit ready, and compliance ready. And add it to your Oracle 26 AI upgrade justification list. Alright. Next, quick references. Oracle 26 AI online tablespace encryption all in one command. I have already shared all the commands for the complete setup. Oracle 26 AI online tablespace encryption for DATAGUARD 26 AI. I have shared in my blogs all the commands. So here it is a quick reference. First setup, and then key store, and encrypt, monitor, rekey, decrypt, standby databases, auto login wallet. Okay. Full command reference and architecture diagram and troubleshooting table are in the blog post I have already posted, and I am going to provide the link in that description. If this video helped you, like and subscribe and share it with your DBA team, and drop your questions in the comments. I answer everyone. Next video, Oracle 26 AI automatic indexing with the AI recommendation. Subscribe, you don't miss it. See you the next one. Thank you all.